Come to the register page, open a form tag, close the form tag, open a table, close the table, keep align as a center, cell padding 10-12, write a TR, follow the TH, full name, TH, input type equal to text, placeholder equal to or remove leave placeholder, keep something else. Max length we can keep here 30. User can enter their name up to 30 character. Okay, next after that, add one more TR, TH, mobile number, ATD, input type equal to number, max length will not work here, you can leave that. So now register page is getting two text box. Register page will have two text box. We can add one more email, password, confirm password. Email ID, add one more TR, email ID, input type equal to email, max length you can remove from the mobile number, remove from the email ID also. Let it be simple box. Password. Add one more th. Confirm password also. PR th password and one text box with the type equal to password. And add one more field. Confirm password. Re-password you can write here. Re-password. Type equal to password only. And then one button. PR th call span equal to 2 is submit button on register. Let it be. This basic design of the form with a few input elements. Coming? Yes, no, you can reply once you confirm. Once you complete, you can reply in the chat, yes, completed. We will be creating next page. Any page we have to work on.
Hello, sir.
Okay, very good. Many people reply completed.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, in the last button is there no register button?
We can't hear your voice, very low. Speak loudly.
Sir, register button is there no?
Hmm.
Why we should not write that register button inside TD, sir?
Right in TD, it will come in left side. Change,
Okay.
change
Okay.
change to TD.
So we should not write inside TD, no button.
TD. Try TD, then see what difference is happening.
Okay. Okay, sir.
TD, if you write, it will come in the left side. Okay, home. Next, after that, we will work on next file is called login. If you click in the photo, you have already login page. You have already we have a file login.html yesterday. So in login.html now, in login.html, in login.html, create a form like this. In login.html, create a page like this. You will have a text box for email. You will have another text box for password. And you have a button here for login. You will have a text box in the left side and right side. You will write here for login. It will come big size. Heading will come little big size. Okay, so how it will be? It will be bigger font size like suppose 20-30 somewhere. Okay, next in the left hand side, you will be creating call email ID little down should be like this, and here there will be one star mark in the red color. A star mark in the red color. Hope we remember how to make red font tag. Password will be here. Password. After that, there will be red mark. And this should be as usual, default color only. And in button, it will be written called login. In button, it will be written called login. No, this is a form. Look like possible. Text box should be little big size. Try quickly. Like something. Oh, if you log in you, I can send you that folder. Video will not continue. No? Video is just kind of extra support. Video is just like extra support when we have time we can have it. Even video if people will learn then YouTube is sufficient platform. Now how to give the folder? If you log in into Zoom, then I can give you the folder. I log you after that. Now can you log in again? Pen drive we have. Pen drive, anyone have pen drive? Once you complete the login page, you can send me the code also. I will use your code. Dedication is required. Actually. Dedication is required. Try Info Campus network. No, if it will connect, I will give you the folder. Info Campus network. What is the password? Password is the 13 people replied. They completed. That is the meaning of learning. You can connect with this Wi-Fi. Info Campus 123 @ See, to get connected, I will give you the folder. See, many things are required. No, number one, your time is required, plus your dedication is required, interest is required, everything is required. Then only it will work out. You are working anywhere? Working anywhere? And why you are putting your career into the sky? Eh?
No, no, I did part-time.
This time you keep free. If you have invested the money and time, then there should be benefit. See, these people also came with you only. They are able to write the code. Online people I have not seen who is there, but still we are waiting there. Said yes, completed. See, 13 people replied. 13, 14 people reply yes, completed. Dedication is matters. Info Campus 123 @ has try that. If it's get connected, it's a part. Don't know. Info Campus. Not coming in your system. Okay, anyone can send the code of HTML. Oh, one person has sent. Hold on. A paragraph you follow. Who follow paragraph and we are here? Sijan, 100% wrong. Welcome to login panel, something. Table you follow, no? Table follow, it will be well aligned. Anyone else can send me the code? Example maybe, okay. You follow table now. There is nothing wrong in table. Follow the table. Once you learn CSS, I'll guide you how to do the same thing using the CSS. But now follow the table. That is not wrong. Login page open. And here is the everything you sent. I replace that. See here. Font color red, email, password. Can you increase the width of the text boxes? Please increase the text of size of the text box using size property. Using size property, increase the width of text box. Login page is here. Perfect. Now from login to register, can you hyperlink? After button. After button, there should be hyperlink. From login, register to, sorry, link to register, and from register, link to login. So we may click here also, or maybe we can click here and go. There you are not going to write the target. Only href equal to file name. After button, write HR and then follow the hyperlink. From login, link to register, and from register, link to login. Try. what we are learning in the class. I have not asked you to remember more than that. What we learn in the class, okay, what we learn in the class, just remember that much only. What we learn in the class, just remember that much only. Okay, after that, 90% chances you don't have to face much problem. Okay, what we learn in the class, just remember that much only. 90% chances you will not face much problem. Once hyperlink is ready, let me know. Login to register, register to login. Okay, so hope you're done. Now after that, let's see how you have made a hyperlink. Suppose login button you have. After that, you will write a HR color equal to red color and give size equal to 1, size equal to 1, href equal to href equal to next page, that is called register.html. Is the question new? Register. You are putting a question, are you new? Then go to register. Copy the same thing. In the register file, after button, you can keep here registered. register already, then go to the login. Register already, go to login. So now hyperlink came, register already, go to login, new, go to register. Page become now meaningful. User can click here and go to the next page, or you can click here and go to the next page. Next, after that, what is the next file? Next file is contact. Let's come. Some new thing I'll design. Please try this. There should be in the beginning in the red color. Contact. How to contact us. How to contact us will come in red color, little bigger font size. Suppose 20. Keep in blue color somewhere. How to contact us. So what tag will follow to change the color? Which tag we have to change the color? Font tag. Caption you will follow. Inside the caption only follow the font. Within the caption. Inside caption open the font, close the font and write color as a green or blue. And there you can keep the text. Come down below. Your name. Your name, next your mobile number. Your email ID. Your email, you can write. It should not de-align the area. Pin code. Your pin code. Then next should be a button. Your message. Now come inside and create the text boxes. One text box here, not visible. Let me take some black color. One text box here. One more text box here. So look like we have made something like this earlier also, or no? We have made one day. Just it is a kind of revision for you. That should be written by your hand. Okay, and then in the last one button called send a message. And hoping you can do that. Look like possible or impossible? Possible. Try. See, compare 4 days before I was writing, you were saying, correct? I was writing, you are doing the copy. Now today I am designing something, you are able to write the code. If you follow the similar frequency, where you will reach, even you don't know. Okay, so let's follow in the same frequency. Right. This code we are writing under the contact.html file. File we have already. Let's try that. We have some systems organized. Wait, I'll get that laptop. You are working anywhere? No, no. Okay, so tomorrow I have an HTML class at 2:30. Okay, first class. Come in that also. Okay. Come attend 2:30 in this class. It will be double division for you. Don't bring your laptop from tomorrow. Okay. Leave your laptop in home. Come use this laptop. While going time, whichever the file you will create, you send in WhatsApp. Okay. Again tomorrow once you come, if you need the same file, download from the WhatsApp. I'll write you. In case new file, create again and send to the WhatsApp. Will not go to you. You have to come here. Come tomorrow, you sit here. Okay. Come and put the file in this. Once you complete, please let me know. See, for guidance wise, in the first row, how many columns? First row, 4 columns, right? Second row also 4 columns. Third row, how many? 2 columns. One place you have to write call span equal to 3. And last is the button. Inside the button you have written button is the call span 4. Try your own. Even I will write. If you will do mistake, I'll write. You will compare it. Create new file on desktop, okay? You create a folder. First you create a folder in desktop by your name. Sometimes this small will not work. Sometimes the left click is not working. You can do right. And now here you create a folder by your name, and in that folder this will work.
That's it.
And protect area. Protect area you have to write rows and columns. Protect area rows and columns is one. Okay, so we have ready. Ah. Anyone can send the HTML code? Okay, very good. Okay, here is the code. The first row you have THTD, THTD, TH have the label and TD. Okay, let me remove the color. It is making more congested. This way. TR, 4 columns, first TR. Second TR also 4 column. The third TR only 2 column. But for the second column is a call span 3. So 3 and plus 1, 4. And to increase the height and width of text area, you will follow the call span, calls and rows property. And button you have, button again will come inside the TH or TD. For that again we can write call span is a 4, so button should come in the center. In case if you are following the TD, suppose instead of TH if you follow the TD, suppose I wrote here called TD. So in case of TD, button will come in the left side. Button will come in left side. So in that case, if you follow the TD, then you have to add a property called align. Align equal to align equal to center. Then button will appear in the middle. Button will come in center. This file is array. Taking the HTML project 1 folder, you have some photo already. Photo we have 1, 2, 3 somewhere. Okay, so those photo we are going to use now. That is in the service file. So come to the next file. Next file should be service.html. File is already ready. We can open that. Service.html file is already ready. We can open that. Okay, the final code of your HTML contact file will come to your chat. If anyone has missed something, you can use this code. Then come to the service file. In service file, our services were written. Write a paragraph and keep for that align center. Align as a center. Center and write some text, at least 2 lines. Write some text so that it should cover at least 2 lines. Photos are in that system. But your system is not able to work. Sometime daily till end of the session you will be starting the computer. In that, what is not comfortable? Tell me. Keyboard. Keyboard. And type slowly. It is not my force. Use this laptop only. You can use your laptop also. But at least follow everyone. Okay. All are able to write. You are able to see only. How it will work? It will not work, no? Use your system only. You can use your system only, but try writing the code. Okay, so hope we are getting one paragraph. Our service. Now below to that, you will use the table tag again. Use a table tag. In that, give the width equal to somewhere 90%. It will cover the 90% of the screen and keep align equal to center. 90% of the screen and align as a center. It will cover the 90% of the screen and align will be center. After that, write inside a PR and follow the TH. The first TH, okay, not TH, TD you can follow. TD. Inside the TD, first you write as a maybe H2 software services. This H2 should be in the center. So for that also we can apply align equal to center. After H2 you will display one image. IMG SRC equal to your photo name, JPG, PNG, identified and write it. Width equal to 200 height also 150. It is in pixel by default. Slash you can apply in the last. Below, use the p tag. Under the paragraph, display some text. Like this. After paragraph, write a href equal to read more. And complete for this TD, you write align center. Full TD should be align center, or maybe TR itself align center. So inside the TR, whichever the data you will write, all will come in the center. Now one photo is coming, but text will be full width as of now because we have only one TD. So one TD will take the space of 90%. Once we add multiple TD, automatically the width will get reduced. So one photo is coming, read more is also there, but the text is covering the full width. Let's follow one more TD. One more TD. There also similar structure, H2. Marketing solutions. Next, IMG. SRC equal to 2.jpg. Keep same width 200. Keep same height 150. And again paragraph and read more. Keep same. Equal text. In the second TD also. Equal text. Now total width will split into two parts because two TD will follow. 90% of the area will divide into two. 45, 45. Cell padding we have not given, so it will look little congested. You can write the cell padding for table. Cell padding equal to 15. 15 we can add cell padding. We'll have sufficient space. So working cell padding. Two photos are coming now. Half divided If you add one more, then the same thing will divide into 3 parts. We will add. We will add one more block. Next TD. Next TD. H2. Something. Business solutions. Next. IMG. If you have any extra photo, you can call 3.jpg for that particular photo. You can check the extension also. Whichever the extension is the file of your photo, you need to call the same. Then add one more, read more. Total photo will, total 3 columns will occupy the 90% of the area. Equally, it will get distributed. Text will break the line automatically. Something like this. If the content is more, a scroller will come automatically. Read more we have. This photo is bigger. Why? Height is 200. Oh, I modified it. This should be width. Width 200, height is equal. When you click on read more, it should go to another file. Okay, that file will open here only. So first complete the client page, then we'll come to the read more page. We'll click on read more, it will go to the next file. So in read more, what we are calling? Call a file details.html. details.html. All 3 places, call the same file. In read more, all 3 places call the same file. Details.html, details.html, and details.html. In read more, all 3 places call the same file. Details, details, and details. You can give that system to me. Okay, our next file will be client.html that we have made already. Client.html, in that using t-head, t-body, t-foot, using t-head, t-body, t-foot, we are going to display the data with the pagination and something. Okay, so hope service file is ready. Then come to the next file. Anyone is writing or completed? completed. Open the client.html file. We will use the table tag here with the T head, T body, and T foot. Table align, center, cell padding, change somewhere. Then inside T head, TR, TH. T head, TR, BG color, pink color. Client ID, full name. Address, not address, right here for email. Phone number. City, status, and type. The status and type. Pink color heading will appear on the top. The pink heading should appear on the top. Okay, width of the table should be 95%. Almost full width of the screen. Come next. T head you copy, paste in the last. T foot. T foot. P4. BG color something. Gray color. Bottom section in gray color. Okay, then next is T body. Pick one, something like this. Next is T body. T body you can add here between both. T body open, T body close. T body open, T body close. You will write a TR. This TR will be center align. Align equal to center. And then cell padding. Not cell padding. TD you will follow. TD. Client ID 01. Client name. Raju. Client email ID. Raju test at gmail.com. Next, TD is the phone number. Next, TD phone number. Some number you can write. City you can write some Bangalore. Bangalore. Next, TD you can write a status call active. Type as a individual. Something we wrote. Book written. Check now. One customer is coming. Add similar way 2-3 more rows. Page will look like filled. Same TR we can copy. Raju Moti. MOTI at Gmail. Extension number. He is from Pune. He is active and is a company. Here,
So can we give align as a center in T body also instead of giving in TR?
nothing to ask. You can write and check.
Yeah, it's coming. That's why I'm just cross checking. Is it okay to write? It's coming in the center.
Writing for T body is not right practice.
Okay.
Maybe some places one TD should come in the left side, one TD will go in the right side.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Now come after the table. After the table, write a BR and create another table. Another table. Keep here as a center. Cell padding you can add also. You can leave also, no problem. We don't want much space. 5, 6 you can give. Only one TR you need. In that TR you need one TD. And in that TD you need many buttons. The first TD, in the first TD, one button called previous, one more called next, previous and next. In between you can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First page, second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page. Cell padding is not going to play any impact here. So you can remove that because everything you have added in one cells in one TD. Getting many buttons. First button in the left, and last button in the last, and then something like this. Previous and next. In the previous, there should be double arrow mark redirecting to left hand side. And in the next, there should be double arrow mark that should be redirecting to the next. It will give some code problem also. You can fix that. This left arrow direction, right arrow direction. Arrow mark is coming. Left arrow mark, right arrow mark. At a time you are displaying 2 record. Keep minimum 5 record. Change the name. Change the number. 3. Number 4. Number 5. And check once. Change the value also. Okay. Let me see if some assignments are there for you. Study pages are ready. Should keep doing. Now I'll send you some little colorful photos. Okay, little colorful photos. 6 photos. Some background will be there, some here there. You will try your level best. 1, 2, 3. How many cans? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Check once. Check in the group. You got any photos? This is little colorful photos. Okay, this is little colorful photos. So that you are going to put your record, and these all are in HTML only. We'll try making as it is. Little here there is okay. Lot of here there is not okay. We should try that. Check once. Hope all are in the group, right? 17, 16 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One email ID I'll ping you in the WhatsApp. After you will create a separate folder. Okay. For this assignment, what I sent you now, you will create a separate folder. Inside the folder, keep the files which we are going to create. And after creating that, send me the file in the Gmail. I'll send you the this one. We'll have a look. Okay, what you are doing really happening or not happening? SIYARAMYABAC@gmail.com. Okay, I have sent one email ID in the WhatsApp. So on that email ID, tomorrow, try sending today after the class, tomorrow before class. Okay, total 6 photos are there. At least 3, 4 photos you should send. 3, 4 pages you should send, at least 4 pages. It is 10 minutes work. 1 page 10 minutes, 15 minutes, not much. To understand whether really it's going on or not. Okay. Next, after that, the 6 photos, 7 photos I have sent you. The photo is going to decide tomorrow what we should learn. We should learn still HTML only, or we should learn with the inline CSS, the first part of CSS. In CSS, we have total 4 types of CSS: inline, internal, external, and import. So that 6-7 photo has come in your chat. WhatsApp that photo assignment will advise us tomorrow. Okay, what to do? Shall we be in the HTML only, or we should link the HTML with the CSS? So you will try that. Okay, try and then send on that email ID. Once you send, I will have a look on that. Then we'll understand really you are on the track.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. See you tomorrow. Assignment is a kind of extra support. If you are doing them, you will get a lot of confidence.